look, for 40 years, I think I've said this before, for 40 years, all the people in control of this information have all agreed to keep it quiet. And these aren't idiots. These aren't idiots for 40 years. You have a line of people that all have agreed, no, let's not say anything. No, let's not say anything. No, let's not say anything. There has to be a reason why. And if they all agreed to that, maybe I'm the asshole. No, really. Maybe they're right. And
maybe you would have figured that out if you kept working for them.
Yeah, I don't know. But I'm increasingly thinking I'm the one that made the mistake. Maybe this is supposed to be just kept quiet.
Yeah, but that doesn't ring true. Because I don't think it's ever healthy if small groups of individuals have information that would change our understanding of where we are.
Yeah, there's that.
I don't think they deserve it. I don't think it's right. I don't think it makes any sense. I think you have an obligation.
But really think about it. What if it's something that's really traumatic?
Like how so? What do you think would be like?
I don't know. Maybe. I mean, what if it's? I'm not saying this is what it is, but I mean, what if it's like? Like we raise cows out in a field and just feed them grass and they're just going to be food. What if it's something like that? What if we're just like, a population of creatures that are just to be consumed in some way?
I don't know if we're to be consumed, but I do think we are.
Not physically consumed like eaten, but I mean.
I think we have a task. And I'm more and more convinced as time goes on that we were engineered. I don't think we came about as a normal evolutionary process like all the other animals.
Yeah, I agree with that.
I really agree with that too.
Yeah.
There's a lot of people that think that. It just doesn't make sense objectively. I mean, without seeming like a kook or someone who buys into conspiracy theories, if you just look at all the other biology on Earth, why is one so uniquely able to manipulate its environment, communicate instantaneously at distance, can't really even exist in its environment in most places that it lives without clothes and shelter? We're a weird animal. We're very strange. Like, we don't seem to have normally adapted to our environment with the way we've completely controlled our environment with air conditioning and electricity and electronics and flight and travel. We're so beyond everything else that evolved. Whereas every other animal, predator or prey, plant eater or meat eater, all seems to cohesively exist inside of its ecosystem. And then you have us, which is like almost like an invasive species. Like, invasive species destroy ecosystems, because they don't belong there. Mm-hmm. Well, that's kind of what we do. Like, we suck all the fish out of the ocean. We pollute the rivers with our technology. We, mess up underground water systems with fracking and drill. We're like an invasive species in a lot of ways.
Yeah. Yeah.
We're really weird.
I can't argue with that at all.